Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share with you this really cute wine bottle gift tag. This is for a Pinterest inspired collaboration project with my friend Misha at ScrapsandThings1. Hi Misha. I'm going to post a link below this video so you can head on over, check out her channel, show her some YouTube love, and get some more inspiration. So anyway, we were supposed to make a wine bottle gift tag in an Easter theme. So this is how mine turned out. And honestly, these are so simple to make. I'm going to go through a quick tutorial to show you just how simple they are. There's tons of different styles on Pinterest. No one in particular had inspired me. I'm going to take it off my wine bottle so that I can show you closer. But besides decorating the front, I just stamped to and from on the back so that I can write that on there. And it's just a cute, simple way to put it on a wine bottle. Even if you wrap the wine bottle and then have this hanging, I think it's adorable. And you can put it on other things too, not just wine bottles. But I stamped the sentiment, "Somebody loves you." And some of it's dimensional foam dots. And I use these really cute stickers. This is a fuzzy bunny and an egg. And I got these from Joann's last year from the Little Makers. So you got 20 eggs in a pack. These are the different eggs. And then I also got, this is the same one, Little Makers. And these came with some furry bunnies and some more foam eggs, and then also eggs with little chicks in them. So I decided to use some furry bunnies to make this tag, and we're going to get started on it so you can create some too. I think I'm going to do a bunch of different styles. I'm enjoying making these, and I may actually even put these in my eBay store. So we'll see how it goes. But anyway, what you're going to need to get started is a piece of cardstock that measures 7.5 inches long by 2.5 inches wide. And you're going to line it up in your scoreboard at the 7.5 inch mark. And we're going to score it at 2.5 inches. And then fold up your score line. And then on this section here, our little square 2.5 inch square here, that's where we're going to cut our hole, like you see here. You can use a circle punch, you know, whatever you have available to you. I just have my 1 3/4 inch scallop circle die. And I'm going to line it up in my little cuddle bug here. And I'm going to make my sandwich. So I have my A plate, my B plate, and then I'm going to lay my paper down. I'm pretty much going to put my scallop circle centered inside this 2.5 inch square. And we're going to create our hole. So we can make, it's going to be like the top part's your hanger, and that's what you want to put on your wine bottle. And then I'm going to put my C plate on top and run it through. Okay, let me close this up. Won't be needing that anymore. And take it out. There we go. And don't get rid of these circles. You can always use those for embellishments later. But we created our hanger here. And then on this section here, you guys can decorate these any way you choose. I'm just showing you quickly how I put mine together. I have my corner rounder. So I went in and rounded the corners at the bottom. And then here at the top of the hanger. And then all I did for this section here to round these two is you're going to fold it, put it in your corner rounder, punch. Okay, and then that's what creates the nice rounded corners here. And I even kind of folded it the other way and went in just to make sure they were nice and trimmed off. Okay, and then the sheet to decorate this, the green and white gingham paper I used, is 4 3/4 inches by 2 3/8. And I'm going to round the corners on this as well. And actually, I don't think I wrote that down for my directions for the mat. So 4 3/4 by 2 3/8. Okay. And I'm just going to use a little bit of glue. Ouch. My cat's trying to jump on my lap, of course, while I'm trying to make a video. You know, they never want to like hang out unless you're doing something. Then they want to be all over you. Okay. So let's lay that down here on our tag. And basically the measurement I did gives you a little bit of a white bordered edge. Use my bone folder. And that's it. That's the basic tag. And then you might want to stamp your to and from on the back before you go ahead and decorate your tag. It's just a little bit easier. And I'm just going to put that right up here at the top. And the ink I'm using, I absolutely love this stuff. I'll show you one that hasn't been opened. This one's I forget what color this is because I ripped the label off, but this one's Blueberry Sky, and it's the dye ink. And I purchased this from Paper Tray Ink. I love their inks when they go on sale. And I bought a lot of little sample ones, and I really love this color. And I use the color on here as well, the violet. It's really, really pretty. You can see it show up on here. Really nice. So then all I did was I laid my bunny sticker down. If I can peel the backing off. My hands don't want to work today, guys. My husband and I just celebrated our 22nd wedding anniversary on Valentine's Day. And I was going to post this video over the weekend, but we just stayed busy, you know, doing little day trip things and just kind of having fun celebrating. So that's why I'm a little late with it. It was due on Sunday. And then I have this sticker here. Oh, and what I did, this is so, there we go, so sticky. Just on the top part here, I added a little piece of foam tape because I want it to give it a little bit of dimension. It's laying over this bunny here, and I didn't want it to look kind of wonky when I put it on. There we go. And then here, I just used some glue across the top. And I'm going to line that up. Just made like a little banner sentiment piece here. And that's it, guys. That is my Easter wine bottle tags. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have fun making yours. Take care and happy crafting.